Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Beauty Passion, and today's video is all about me putting on some press-on nails. Yes, I finally got a chance to do my press-on nails. I'm so excited. So these are my nails. I've already prepped my nails. If you haven't watched that video, I'm going to link it in the description below. The key to making your press-on nails last is by prepping them. So I've already prepped them. Right now, I'm just cleaning off the excess dust that I have, or nail particles that I have, with alcohol. Make sure you clean off your nail plate very well with alcohol. That's the key also to making your press-on nails last. You have to make sure you don't have any oils, particles, nothing on your nails. So make sure you clean them twice. Clean them twice. Clean them once and then turn around and clean them twice. That's so you can get a great press on nail to adhere to your natural nail and last. That is the key. So scrub all the oil, excess oils off your nails. Scrub with the alcohol. So here I'm just scrubbing. Once I'm done cleaning all 10 nails, I'm showing you my clean nails. The next thing to do is to dehydrate your nails. Now, this is what came in my Gelish mini kit. It's a pH bond dehydrator, and I also like using Bond Aid. It's also a dehydrator. I use both of them. So this is for you to dehydrate your nails to get the best adhesion. So I put the pH bond on first. Make sure you apply that to all 10 nails. You can buy this at your local beauty supply or a professional beauty supply. After the pH bond, alright, make sure you support my channel. I've opened up a Poshmark Boutique, and I'm just going through some things that's in my boutique. Make sure you shop my Poshmark website. If it's your first time using Poshmark, if you use my code Beauty Passion, you'll get $10 off your first order. I have a lot of great items in my Poshmark Boutique. Great dresses, face masks, pretty tops, dresses, tops, skirts, stuff like that. Again, make sure you use my promo code Beauty Passion to get $10 off your first order with Poshmark. Shop my website. I'm just going through some of the things that's in my closet. Alrighty, so now after I'm applying the Band-Aid, that's the second process to prep, is the pH bond. Now is the Band-Aid. Make sure you apply the Band-Aid to all 10 nails. All 10 nails. Make sure you cover the full nail with the Band-Aid. That's very important. You have to follow these steps if you want your press-on nails to last. Those are my dehydrated nails. I've did the pH bond. I've did the Band-Aid. These are the press-on nails that I'm going to use. I do sell press-on nails on my website, www.beautypassion.com. That's my personal website. I sell press-on nails. These are the press-on nails that I sell. And these are the press-on nails that I'm going to be applying to my nails today. These are short, active length. I didn't want a long length because I got a lot of stuff to do, so I got short. Alright, this is the key to making your press-on nails last, the glue. You got to use good glue to make your press-on nails last. I've been using Gorilla Glue for over a year on my press-on nails. I never had a problem, never had a fungus. My natural nails, as you can see, are still in good condition. So a lot of people ask me about the Gorilla Glue. Is it safe? It's safe. I use it on my nails. Now, I only can say about myself. I use it on my nails. I never had a problem. This is the key to making your nails, press-on nails, last. Now, when you're applying the glue, you have to apply the glue on the press-on nail and on your natural nail. Make sure you get a little brush so you can smooth it around. I also have another video showing how I apply press-on nails. It's a little bit more detailed, but it's basically the same steps. You put the glue on your natural nail, you put the glue on your press-on nails, and now it's time to press. Make sure you lay the press-on nail at a 45-degree angle to get all the air bubbles out slowly. And then once it is on the nail, you just press, 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 press for about 30 seconds. 30 seconds, something like that. So you just press, press, press until the nail doesn't move anymore. Once you press the nail on, it should look like that. It shouldn't move. Make sure you take the tab off. The tab is just a guidance to help you get the nail on straight. So make sure you pull the tab off once you feel secure that the nail is secure on your hand. So now we're just pressing, pressing, pressing. Any excess glue that you get on your cuticle, make sure you wipe it off, because once it dry, you're going to have a problem. You're going to have crust all the way around your nail. So make sure you get any excess glue that came from underneath the nail as you press off your skin. Make sure you get it all off. So I have a clean, no glue, no glue. It's all gone, no glue. All right, take the tab off. And we got one finger down. All right, so let's go through this again. Glue on the press on. Glue on your natural nail. This is the Beauty Passion way. This is how I have applied my press-ons to make them last like 3 to 4 weeks. Spread the glue to cover your whole nail plate. Once you spread the glue evenly, make sure you get all sides of your nails. Now it's time to spread the glue on the press-on nails. Make sure you spread the glue evenly on the press-on nail from side wall to side wall. Make sure you cover the whole, well, not the top, just as much as you think your nail will cover on a press-on. If you short glue, make sure you add more glue. You got to have enough glue. If you don't have enough glue, your nails are not going to stick. So make sure you have enough glue on your nail and the press-on nail. This is the most important part on getting your nails to last more than a couple days, 3 to 4 weeks. Make sure you put it on at a 45-degree angle. Make sure you get all the air bubbles out. If you get air bubbles under the nail, just take it up and try it again at a 45-degree angle and reapply it. If you have air bubbles, the nail is going to lift quicker. So make sure you don't have any air bubbles between the glue, your natural nail, and the press-on. No air bubbles. Alrighty, I'm pressing, and I'm pressing. Because they're press-on nails. You got to press, 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 press. Alright. So, once this is done, you make sure that you are pressing, 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 pressing. It don't move. Pull off the tab. Make sure you clean off any glue that came from underneath. Clean it off all your cuticle, your skin. Clean it from everywhere. No glue. No glue should be seen. Alrighty, those are my nails. I've applied all the nails on my left hand, on my right, one or the other, my left hand. I do see some air bubbles. It just, sometimes you're going to get some air bubbles. Hopefully you don't get any. I do got some air bubbles, but I should still be okay. Alright, this is the next important step. When you're wearing press-on nails, you want people not to know they're press-on nails. I hate when I see people press-on nails and I can tell. They just put them on, but this extra steps make your press-on nails look like acrylic nails, natural nails. You have to buff the press-on nail. So you're buffing you see where I'm buffing the cuticle? That's where you're trying to get it flesh from your nail to the cuticle to the to the press-on. So you have to buff the nail to make these nails look flesh. That's the trick and the key. I'm going to show you again. I'm buffing, buffing, buffing. You buff the nail down. You're buffing the cuticle, around the cuticle, because you're trying to get the nail as flesh as it can be. You're buffing the whole nail. This one extra step is going to make your nails look so much better. People are not even going to know you got on press-on nails if you do this one step. Make sure you shape the end because that's where you had the little tab at. So you got to shape that straight across to make it smooth on the end, because you're going to have a little bit of indentation from the tab that was there. So make sure you file that smooth. Make sure you file under also to make sure everything is smooth. And just make sure you check the nails to make sure everything is smooth. Your shaping is right. Your buffing has got everything smooth from the cuticles to the tip of the press-on nails. That's the key to making your press-on nails look like acrylics. You have to buff them after you apply them. So that's how I make my nails look. I'm still shaping them. Alright, I'm dusting off all the dust. Time to dust it off. Alright, those are my nails. I'm done. I have applied them. I've buffed them. Now it's time to clean it. So now I'm cleaning off any excess dust that I have from buffing and shaping and filing my nails. I'm cleaning the nails with not acetone, I'm sorry. Don't clean your nails with acetone. Clean them with alcohol. Clean your nails with alcohol. Nothing should move. At this point, nothing should be moving. If anything is moving, make sure you re-glue it back on. Alright, so I'm putting on gel on top of my nails. That's the foundation that comes with the Gelish mini kit. So that's your base coat, your gel base coat foundation. I love this gel polish Gelish. I love Gelish. I always use Gelish. Alright, to top it off is the top coat for your gels. I love Top It Off. You need to combine those two together to get a great gel nail. Foundation and Top It Off. Alright, this is the color I'm wearing on my nails, Fuchsia. I love the color Fuchsia. I love the color Fuchsia. So Fuchsia nails is what I'm going to be painting my nails. That's a gel top coat Fuchsia. Alright, so this is just going to be a really quick tutorial on gel nails. This is how you do them at home. Again, I'm a licensed cosmetologist, so I kind of know how to do gel nails. I've been doing them for a while now, so I've always did my gel nails at home. This is me applying the foundation top coat. That's what you apply first. I'm not going to show you me putting my nail in a gelish lamp because that's just a little bit too much. So this is the first coat, the foundation, done. Alright, now this is my top coat that I'll be using, which is the Fuchsia. Make sure when you're polishing your nails that you do it neatly. That's the key to making your nails look nice. You have to know how to polish. Also, make sure you clean around your cuticles. No polish should be on your cuticles, your side walls, nothing. That's acetone that I'm dipping a brush in to clean around my cuticles. I'm applying more Fuchsia polish. That is so pretty. That color is so pretty. Make sure you take your time and polish your nails. Make sure you bring I have another tutorial on how to paint if y'all know how to paint. Let me know if you want me to show you how to polish nails. That's going to be a whole different tutorial. Alright, so I'm polishing my Fuchsia nails. That's the second coat that I'm putting on there. And I'm just really taking my time. I'm polishing as neatly as I can. I'm rolling my finger as I polish. And I'm cleaning my cuticles to make sure nothing is on my nail, around my nail. Because once I put it in the lamp, it's over with. Once you put it in the lamp, it's over with. Whatever it is, it is. Alright, so I'm making sure I clean all the polish off. Very careful. This is how you make sure you get that clean, professional look like you went to the nail salon. They always make sure they supposed to always make sure they clean around your cuticles. At least the good nail techs do. Alright, so this is my thumb. This is my last, well, it ain't my last, but this is me showing you how to paint, kinda. So I'm painting my thumb. Make sure you have clean, even strokes when you're polishing your nails, especially using gel polish, because what you see is what you get. Once you put on a lamp, it's over with. So make sure your strokes are even strokes. Alrighty, those are the nails painted after they came from under the lamp. Alright, look at my nails, y'all. They so beautiful. OMG. They are so pretty. Fuchsia nails. Oh, I did it. I ain't looking bogus no more, y'all. Y'all see my nails? My nails was looking bogus for like 3 months. Yes, they are so pretty. Ooh, 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 ooh. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. All right, my press on nail kit is available on my website, www.beautypassion.com. Thank you for watching and see you all in the next video.